blocked from posting on TikTok? Well, it could be due to a couple of reasons. Now, the first is violation of community guidelines. If you have posted content that violates TikTok's community guidelines, such as posting hate speech, violence, nudity, or anything that promotes illegal activities, TikTok may have blocked you from posting. In this case, you should review TikTok's guidelines and make sure that your future posts comply with them. Now, the second issue is multiple community guideline violations. Now, if you have repeatedly violated TikTok's community guidelines, your account may be suspended or permanently banned. This could be due to multiple violations of the same rule or different rules. You can consider appealing the decision or creating a new account. Now, the third is due to inappropriate behavior. TikTok can block users who engage in inappropriate behavior such as spamming, harassing other users, or engaging in scams. You should avoid any such activities that violate the platform's terms of service. Now, the fourth is technical issues. Sometimes technical issues can also lead to a block on your account. For example, if you have been posting too frequently, TikTok's algorithm may have flagged your account as spam account and blocked you from posting. If you suspect that this is the case, you can try contacting TikTok's customer support team for assistance. Now, overall, if you are blocked from posting on TikTok, you should carefully review the platform's community guidelines and make sure that you are not violating them. If you are still having trouble, you can reach out to TikTok's customer support team for help. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.